3, 2, 1.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to miningcoinappsandairdrops. Okay, today I'll be teaching you how to mine GIP Coin using your mobile phone. GIP Coin is one of the best leading crypto projects in Korea, backed by Samsung SDS. By the end of this year, their mainnet will be launched and listed. After listing, one GIP Coin, according to prediction, would be equivalent to $5. And so the earlier you register, so you can be among those that can have this coin for free. You mine it for free. Okay, so as we have to begin, if you are watching this video and you don't have an account, you click on register here. Now if for example you have an account and you can remember your information, you have to click on find login ID with email address. Now if you have email address and you forget your password, you click on this one. So for those watching this video who don't have an account, we'll click on register here. So let's begin the process. Now the terms and condition here says please read these terms and conditions carefully before using our services. You can read through the terms and conditions and before you accept, please. Now after reading through these terms and conditions, you come and click agree terms of condition and privacy policy, then we accept. Now the referral code someone referred me, I'll put the referral information here, which is a must. My ID, I'll put it here. My password would be here. My email, my nickname, my phone number would be here. So I'll do that now. Okay, for you guys watching this video, okay, the first thing you do after you put your referral code here, you put your national identification number here. It could be your passport number, or you have any government verified number. But for those in Nigeria, you can use your NIN if you don't have passports, so that will also be acceptable, I believe so. Now you put your Gmail, you put your password, you put your username here, you put your phone number, and you click on send, and now you click on sign up. So let me do that now. Okay, I am told a code has been sent to my number, so let me check to get the code for verification purpose. I'll copy the code and I'll paste the code here which I've copied, and I'll click on verify. When that is done, I'll click on sign up. The message here says successful, so I have created my account. So the next thing I'll do, I'll log in. When I log into my GIP mining app, this is the first interface we get to see. This is the interface. Now here we have W paper, using, tech, news, home. Here we have a profile picture. Here we have menu. Here we have wallets, referral ID, and mining. So the first thing I'll do, let's click on the menu at the top right left, or click on this place and see what is there. Now when we click on it, here we have under menu we have home. If we click on home, it brings us back to the interface, main interface, profile, change password, referral list. Those you have referred come to referral list, the mining, and our transaction history, GIP home page, the official Twitter page. If we have to start mining, we'll click on mining, or we can either do that on the home page. Here we have mining, so let me click on it and see. Now when you click on mining, the next information you see, it shows mining stats. So if you do free mining, the mining will take place in 6 hours. So I'll click on it, start mining starts. So I'll go back to the home page. Here my mining reward is 0.04 per hour. So that is what I'll be earning. Now if I click on my wallet, here is my wallet. I have 0.04 GIP coin now, and which is still very low, but the more I keep mining, the price will keep increasing. Now if I go back to my referral ID, now this is my referral ID. When I refer others to join, I'll send them this referral ID. So ensure you always send out your referral ID to those you want to join, friends and loved ones, and also you ensure to use my referral ID also. Thank you. Now if we come to this place here, we have news. Here we have news. If I click on news, it shows me YouTube, Twitter and Telegram, and that is the news platform. So if we come to tech, the down menu, we still have some information here, but this is not showing in English. It's for those mining with the help of this other information which is written in English format you can understand. Just click on your mining, then you send out your referral ID. Here your wallet, you have your wallet balance, and if you click on this menu here at the top, this picture icon at the top, we have our personal information there. Here you can see your information, your referral ID, your username, your phone number and your email address. Now you can change this information and click on change profile, but I'm not changing anything from there. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video helpful to you, please do share with your friends and loved ones, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your friend Desmond on Money Coin Apps and Airdrop. Do have a wonderful day and bye for now.